Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth with Twinkie TV, and I want to give you a quick recap of my current K-drama obsessions. I'm watching Unkind Women, which I just gave a pretty brief overview. It's pretty cool. There's like 4 main women, all in the same family, different generations, out for vengeance, not being too kind, and I think that it's just so good. The other ones, of course, are the ones that are popular. Heal Me, Kill Me with Jisung, and the other multiple personality K-drama, which is Hyunbin's K-drama, Jekyll, Hyde and Me. Then I've been watching 2 dramas that are really old, Gung, the original with Ju Ji-hoon, and then I've also been watching My Love from Another Star. I've just been rewatching that on Hulu Plus and Drama Fever. And then the other really old drama that I'm kind of just picking at here and there is Secret Garden. And I don't know, I really like all of those dramas. Unkind Women, if you're into something brand new, it only has like maybe 4 episodes out right now. And then the personality disorder ones, those are really good just because it's kind of different, but then they're similar, that they're piggybacking off of each other's back. And then I gotta say, I haven't watched any US dramas, TV shows in years, like literally years. And I'm really late on the bandwagon for this one, but oh my gosh, has anybody been seeing or watching House of Cards with Kevin Spacey and Robin, I don't know, she was Princess Buttercup on Princess Bride. But anyways, wow, House of Cards just kind of blows everything out of the water. So yeah, those are the things that I'm obsessing over right now for K-dramas and the one House of Cards. So let me know what you're watching. Let me know what you think about Unkind Women. I just really like it. It's almost like that one lady who was having an affair with the grandmother's husband. Yeah, okay. So she's like the fairy godmother, kind of blessing them with her presence and money, but also kind of like a weird dynamic with the grandmother, the one that she was the mistress of the husband. Yeah, so let me know what you're watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.